Oh, it's just a fantastic umami flavour. This is one of those things that you actually need. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing mushroom Duxelles. Okay, it sounds a bit posh. It is a bit posh, but it's getting to that time of year where I'm making my stuff now and I'm shoving this in the freezer. It keeps for about 3 months in the freezer, so it's going to be absolutely perfect to put in things at Christmas. Now, we can make this fresh. It stays fresh in the refrigerator for 1 week. Like I say, in the freezer for 3 months. It's straightforward. It's basically some mushrooms, some onions, some garlic, all chopped up really small, put in a pan with some butter, fried off until all the moisture goes. So let's show you how to do it right now. Come on. First job, mushrooms. We need to be cleaning our mushrooms. Now, as you can see, I'm using brown mushrooms for this, but not to worry, you can use white or anything like that. Okay, give them a wipe round with a damp cloth. Clean them off the best you can. You know, I never demonstrated this before because I think it's not really worth me demonstrating when I can say, oh, I've cleaned my mushrooms, but I've had people complain. Okay, so there you go. We're cleaning the mushrooms with a damp cloth. And then we're going to chop them. Right, we're going to just start with the garlic first. Give the garlic a little bit of a squashing over and a little bit of a chopping. Now, you can mince it all up with a garlic mincer if you want. That's up to you. I don't think we need it. We're going to fry it down in there. We want that garlic flavour. And I don't mind little bits of garlic in this. Now, this can all go in the same bowl because it's all going to go in together. So we're going to get that in there. Onion. Onion has got to be fine diced. Okay? No more of this nonsense of all this parallel cut. An onion's made up in segments. We've done it before on this channel. Do not be fooled. Okay, so let's get in there. Now you can dice it as small as you want, that's up to you. That's good enough. And that is going in that same bowl with that garlic. Straight in there. Same with the other piece. Now it's only a small onion, as you can see. Mushrooms. Mushrooms, small dice. We need small dices of mushrooms. So just chop them any which way you want and then straight across the top. In a bowl. Okay, and then we're going to take some fresh parsley. Straightforward flat leaf parsley, you can use any. Now, this does not have to be super duper fine. You just want to run a knife over. So run your knife over. In a bowl. That's our ingredients. Easy as that. Okay, it's a straightforward, simple cook this. Flame on. And we want to be going in there with a little bit of butter. We also want to be going in there with a little bit of olive oil. A little shufty round, let's have it melted in there. Right, first job, onion and garlic. Let's have that in there. So we're going to start by sauteing this off a little bit in here. We're going to go in with a pinch of thyme. Now it's a very simple recipe this, in so much as it's just cook this down to get rid of the moisture. It normally takes about 12 to 15 minutes slowly. What you would do if you work in a restaurant or you want it to be posh at home, you could chuck some white wine in. I'll tell you when it goes in, we're not using it. Simple as that. Okay, I'm going in there with all that mushroom. I'm going in there with a pinch of sea salt, and we're going in there with a lump of black pepper. Now what we're going to do is just completely cook this down until all the moisture comes out of the mushrooms. So this is it basically. You just want to keep turning it over. We don't want to brown it up or burn it. If a little bit of char in, that's fine. And all we're doing is cooking out the moisture. And you can see the moisture is already starting in there. We just need to cook the moisture out till it goes dry, and this will concentrate down. It gives it a fantastic concentrated flavour. Okay, this is the stage where you would add your white wine if you wanted to add the white wine, and then you would cook out the white wine until it's completely evaporated, and you will end up with the same looking mixture we have now. So we're just going to go in there with our freshly chopped parsley. Can have a minute in there with that. We're going to stir it through, get that flavour in there, those green flakes. That's only about a minute and then we'll turn it off. Job done. Flame off. That is our mushroom duxelles made. That's how easy it is to make mushroom duxelles, which is quite a bit of a posh nosh thing, you know. It goes inside Wellingtons and things like that. So that's made. We'll make another recipe with it later. Like I say, this stores for about a week, fresh in the fridge, 3 months in the freezer. You're going to say, what does it taste like? That is fantastic. Mushroom, slightly salty, a bit peppery. Oh, it's just a fantastic umami flavour. This is one of those things that you actually need to add to different things. It's fantastic. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. We'll catch you in the next video.